Is there something that you've wanted to change about yourself and you just haven't been able to do it? You may be going about it all wrong. And in this video, I'm going to give you a different perspective and way to think about changing yourself and what you are capable of. Self-love and self-care is something you can really never get enough of. It's like a TED Talk. When you first hear it, you're all inspired, and then eventually things just go back to the day-to-day and you forget it. That's why subscribing to my channel will help keep it in the forefront of your mind so you can make lasting change that counts. The first thing that you're going to do is take a look at the focus of your change. You have to make sure that it's about you. So for example, if I was saying something like, I want to change the way that other people treat me. So I could flip that around and put the focus on myself by saying, I need to change the boundaries of what and who I allow into my life. The next thing that you're going to do is take a look at the resistance that you might have built up around this thing within your mind. So if you don't believe this thing is possible, you may begin to start speaking negative things over it, like, I just can't do it. That's so beyond me. In a way, you're creating a self-fulfilling prophecy that you may be self-sabotaging yourself to make sure that it doesn't happen for you. Another thing that could be a limited belief is to believe that you don't deserve it. If there's something that you believe that you don't deserve, that is an indication that there is a self-esteem and self-love issue that may need to be addressed. The next thing that you want to do is make a realistic plan. Small steps, little baby steps, little inches towards getting you towards your goal. So what could you start doing today that you feel is achievable and within your reach? Once you get comfortable with that, you're going to start taking on more, which is going to bring you closer and closer to your goal. So any progress, even small progress, is progress. Subscribe to my channel because I'm going to show you an example of how small changes can make a bigger difference than you realize visually. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to hit like and subscribe. I believe in you.